So my husband, who is a lineman and works on a transmission line crew, brought home this neat little, I don't know, I think it's some kind of crate that some of their supplies come in, and he thought that it might make a cute planter. So, not planter, planter for plants. Anyway, so I decided to turn it into something a little bit more cleaned up. It looked good as it was, but it needed a little something. So I went to Lowe's and I got just the cheapest outdoor paint that I could find in the color Nice White. And I was going to sand the whole thing down completely, but I kind of liked the rough look, and honestly I didn't want to spend all that time sanding. So I just knocked off some of the rougher parts and got to work painting. Take it from me, these boxes hold more dirt than what you would expect. I didn't exactly have enough. Yeah, you'll see. I had that little bit of a bag and then an entire bag, and it wasn't near enough. So I had to steal some dirt from my raised bed that I haven't planted yet, and I'll fill it back up to where I need it later. But I wanted to finish this first. I'm not really going to mutilate my plant here, but I was taught to loosen the bottom roots. That way when you plant them, they can take root easier, so they're all pointing down. And it also takes some of that old dry dirt off and just gets it more in contact with the newer soil. It was incredibly hot out today, so by this time I was sweating buckets and kind of just, yeah, I don't mind my hair. It's seen better days. It has seen better days. I mean, if you don't spill some water, did you even water your plants? And voila! I'm super happy with how it turned out. It's probably my favorite thing I have right now. Whoops, almost forgot to clip off the dead buds so that the new live ones can have room to come in and flourish. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hopefully there'll be more soon.